Hello, viewers. In today's class, we are going to discuss yet another important problem from integral inequalities. Right? So, in this class, we'll solve this problem in which we are given this integral I, which is from 1 to 3, and the integrand is the square root of 3 plus x square, and we have to find the values of these two numbers a and b when we have this inequality, right? That is I, it lies between a and b, so we have to find the values of a and b such that this integral I, it lies between a and b. So let us start. So in this problem, what we have to do, we have to estimate the value of this integral, right? Now see here, the limits vary from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3. So we'll start with the upper limit and the lower limit, right? So here we'll form this inequality, that is x, it lies between 1 and 3. So the starting point is this inequality. Now we have to create this integrand, that is square root of 3 plus x square, with the help of this inequality. So what we will do, since x is always a positive quantity, because x lies between 1 and 3. So let us here square all these terms. So we get 1 square, then we have x square, and here we have 3 square. Now this is 1, this is x square, and this is 9, right? Now what we will do, we'll add 3 throughout this inequality. So we'll get 1 plus 3, and here we get x square plus 3, then here we have 9 plus 3. So this is 4, this is x square plus 3, and here we have 12, right? Now to get the square root of 3 plus x square, we'll take the square root of all these three terms, right? So we'll get square root of 4, then here we have square root of x square plus 3, and here we have square root of 12. So square root of 4 is 2, and here we have square root of x square plus 3, and here we have 2 times square root of 3. So square root of 12 can be written as 2 times square root of 3. So starting with this inequality, we have got this one, right? Now let us integrate throughout from 1 to 3, right? So that we can create an integral inequality. So integrating throughout within the limits 1 to 3. So we have 1 to 3, 2 dx, and here we have integral from 1 to 3, and here we have square root of x square plus 3 dx, and then we have integral from 1 to 3, 2 root 3 dx, right? Now this integral is our original integral I, so here we'll write I, and then the integral 2 dx can be written as 2 integral of dx is simply x. So here we have x, limits are from 1 to 3, and here also we have 2 root 3. Integral of dx is x, limits are from 1 to 3, right? So now substituting the limits and taking the difference, we have 3 minus 1. Here we have I, here we have 2 root 3, and here we have 3 minus 1, right? So this is 3 minus 1, 2, 2 2s are 4, and here we have I, and here we have 3 minus 1, 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so this is 4 root 3, right? So now we have obtained this inequality, that is I is greater than or equal to 4, less than or equal to 4 root 3. Now, since in our given problem we have a less than or equal to I less than or equal to b, so if we compare this inequality with this one, then we can see that this a is our 4, and the value of b is 4 root 3, right? So this is how we can find out the values of a and b by using this concept and by estimating this integral.